Today, we are discovering 20 facts about computer or science and technology. So, let's begin. Fact number 1. The first computer was enormous. The ENIAC, one of the earliest computers, weighed over 27 tons and took up about 1,800 square feet. Fact number 2. Wi-Fi was invented by accident. Wi-Fi technology came from a failed experiment to detect exploding mini black holes. Fact number 3. Your smartphone has more computing power than the Apollo 11 spacecraft. The computer that took humans to the moon had far less processing power than today's average smartphone. Fact number 4. There are more possible iterations of a game of chess than atoms in the known universe. The number of possible moves is estimated to be 10 to the power of 120, an unimaginable number. Fact number 5. The internet weighs about the same as a strawberry. When you add up all the electrons flowing through the data we're sending across the internet, it comes out to a mass of about 50 grams, which is close to the weight of a strawberry. Fact number 6. The world's first computer bug was an actual bug. In 1947, computer scientists found a moth stuck in a relay of a Harvard Mark II computer, coining the term computer bug. Fact number 7. Light from the sun takes about 8 minutes to reach Earth. Despite traveling at 186,000 miles per second, it still takes light around 8 minutes to cover the 93 million miles from the sun to Earth. Fact number 8. Your body contains more bacteria than human cells. Although these bacteria are tiny, their collective numbers exceed the amount of human cells in the body. Fact number 9. Artificial intelligence, AI, can now write books. AI programs like GPT can generate full-length books complete with dialogue and narratives. Fact number 10. The longest possible time someone can spend falling into a black hole is infinite. As someone approaches the event horizon of a black hole, time appears to slow down from the outside observer's perspective, theoretically stretching to infinity. Fact number 11. There's a planet where it rains glass. On the exoplanet HD 189733b, winds blow up to 5,400 miles per hour, and it rains molten glass sideways. Fact number 12. Scientists have created invisibility cloaks. By manipulating light waves, researchers have developed materials that can render objects invisible by bending light around them. Fact number 13. A teaspoon of a neutron star would weigh 6 billion tons. The density of a neutron star is so immense that just a small amount would weigh as much as several million large buildings. Fact number 14. 3D printers can print human organs. With advancements in bioengineering, 3D printers can now print tissues, and researchers are working toward creating fully functional human organs. Fact number 15. Electric eels can generate enough electricity to power a small light bulb. These eels can produce up to 600 volts of electricity. Fact number 16. NASA has developed an engine that could theoretically travel faster than the speed of light. The idea behind the warp drive comes from bending space-time, allowing faster-than-light travel, though it's still theoretical for now. Fact number 17. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all Earth's beaches. Astronomers estimate the number of stars in the observable universe is roughly 10 to the power of 22. Fact number 18. Water can exist in 3 states at once. Under certain conditions, water can exist simultaneously as a solid, liquid, and gas, a phenomenon known as the triple point. Fact number 19. Quantum computers could break modern encryption. The incredible power of quantum computers could eventually render current encryption methods obsolete by cracking complex codes in minutes. Fact number 20. The first email was sent by Ray Tomlinson to himself. The inventor of email sent a test message to himself in 1971. It wasn't very exciting, just some random letters like QWERTYUIOP. I hope you like this video. Share your thoughts in the comment. Which fact you like most? Please like and subscribe and share with your friends. I will see you in the next video. Bye.